Hi there. I'm so glad you're here. Imagine walking into a bright modern lab, full of energy, ideas, and hope. That's where our story begins. Today, India stands at a crossroads. Have you ever wondered how a country becomes known as the pharmacy of the world? It's a big title, and it comes with big responsibility. For decades, Indian scientists and workers have sent affordable, life-saving medicines to every corner of the globe. From the busy streets of London to small villages in Africa, our medicines have made a difference. But the world is changing fast. New diseases, new technology, and new expectations are everywhere. What does the future need from us? Is it just more of the same old pills, or something more? Think about gene therapy, AI-powered discoveries, and medicines made just for you. Can India lead in these new frontiers, just like we did with generic drugs? That's the big question. And it's not just for experts or CEOs, it's for all of us. Because this industry touches every family, every home, and every dream for a healthier tomorrow. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the market, break down how it all works, and meet the people, scientists, business leaders, and everyday heroes who make it possible. We'll see how government rules shape the industry and why it's about more than just business. It's about building a stronger, healthier India. Are you ready to discover the secrets behind Indian medicine? This journey is for you, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about the world. So, let's start together. Let's look at the heart of an industry that's shaping the 21st century. The path ahead won't be easy, but the goal is worth it. Ready? Let's go! Let's start with the numbers. India's medicine market is the third biggest in the world by how much it makes, and among the top 14 by how much it's worth. In 2023, it was worth over $50 billion, and it's expected to reach $130 billion by 2030. This fast growth creates millions of jobs, both directly and indirectly. Our medicines go to over 200 countries, making us the biggest supplier of common drugs worldwide. We provide 20% of the world's supply by how much we make. The industry's power is in certain areas: Maharashtra and Gujarat in the west, Hyderabad and Bengaluru in the south, and Badi in the north. Each area has its own special skill, creating a strong system of making things, doing research, and moving goods. This teamwork makes things work better, creates competition, and brings new ideas. Understanding these areas is key to understanding what the industry is built on and where it's going. The map of Indian medicine is alive and always changing. To understand Indian medicine, break it down into 5 parts: the 5-stack model. At the top, innovators. These research and development powerhouses, both Indian and international, find new molecules and push scientific limits. Next, branded generics. This is India's area. Companies make their own versions from medicines that are no longer protected by patents, building trust and brand loyalty. Third, pure generics and APIs. India is a world leader in making the basic ingredients for medicine, the hidden base of the drug supply chain. Fourth, CRAMS, contract research and manufacturing services. Indian companies work with global medicine companies, offering their skills and making things under contract, making India very important to global operations. Fifth, digital health and wellness startups. These are the game changers using technology for online pharmacies, doctor visits by video, drug discovery using AI, and special care for each person. This is where the next big change will come from. The 5-stack model shows how complex the industry is and what its future holds. Every industry has its big players. In Indian medicine, global giants like Pfizer and Novartis bring new treatments and set high standards. But the main part of the story is our own successful Indian companies. Sun Pharma leads with growing globally and making big purchases. Cipla made HIV/AIDS drugs affordable for Africa, showing that business can help people. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories balances common medicines with a focus on difficult new ideas. Lupin and Zydus Life Sciences are great at specific treatments and global markets. These companies all have a spirit of starting new things and always trying to be the best quality. Big international companies and Indian giants compete and work together, pushing each other to come up with new ideas and do great things. Understanding their plans is very important for future leaders. India was once seen as good at copying, but that's changing. Our labs are now places where new ideas are born. The COVID-19 pandemic showed our scientific skill with our own mRNA vaccines. We're leading the way in 3D printed medicines, special pills made just for what each person needs. AI is making drug discovery faster, turning years of research into months. India's first own CAR T-cell therapy for cancer is a big step forward, at a much lower cost than elsewhere. The new Indian way create new things at a low cost, making advanced treatments available to more people. The government and industry are putting money into research and development, and our scientists are leading the way. We're moving from being the world's pharmacy to one of its laboratories. The journey is hard, but the chance for future leaders is huge. The Indian medicine industry is shaped by government rules and laws. Programs like Make in India help make more things in the country and rely less on imports. The CDSCO makes sure drugs are safe and good quality, while the NPPA keeps important medicines affordable. The Competition Commission of India stops monopolies and protects customers. The government also gives tax breaks and money for research and development, especially for diseases like TB and malaria. Public programs like the Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana have opened thousands of stores selling affordable common medicines. Rules and laws are not just about control, they are about making it possible for people to get medicines and for new ideas to happen. The real goal of medicine is public health. India's campaign to get rid of polio showed what can happen when the government, industry and people work together. The fight against TB, malaria and diabetes continues, with medicine playing a very important part in making them available and affordable. States like Tamil Nadu have been pioneers in giving out medicine in a good, clear way. Social marketing teaches people about getting shots, using antibiotics and staying clean. Making things available and affordable are moral duties. The challenge for future leaders: balance making money with helping people and come up with new ideas in both science and business to reach everyone. What does this mean for you? Old jobs in sales, marketing, and making things are still very important, but new chances are appearing in digital health, data science, and computer security. When healthcare and technology come together, it needs leaders who are good with both science and data. Managing research and development, moving technology, and protecting new ideas are in high demand. Experts in rules, drug safety, and health economics are shaping the future of the industry. The time for specialists is here. Be curious, able to change, and keep learning to grab these chances. Our journey ends, but the story goes on. Indian medicine stands on two main things: its history as the world's pharmacy and its big dream to lead in new ideas. The challenge is to do both: supply affordable common medicines while also creating new cures. We face competition from around the world, higher quality standards, and complicated rules. But our will to succeed is strong. The real test is not how big the market is, but the health and well-being of 1.4 billion people. Can we build a healthcare system that everyone can get, is affordable and fair? The responsibility and honor are huge. You are entering this industry at a time of big change. The plan for the future is in your hands. Growth, new ideas, and caring for people. The world is watching. Now it's your turn to act. Thank you.